Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by enabling Storage Sense so Windows can automate cleanup. Open Settings, go to System Storage, and turn Storage Sense on. This lets Windows remove temp files and recycle bin items automatically. Once done, click Temporary Files to run an immediate scan and choose Files to delete. Make sure to adjust retention policies for downloads and recycle bin so you don't lose recent items. These settings control how aggressive the cleanup will be. Next, tackle large applications and orphan files. You'll free significant space by uninstalling or moving apps. In Settings, Apps, and Features, sort by size and remove what you no longer need. Once done, use app-specific settings to move games or apps to another drive if available. Then run Disk Cleanup, clean system files, and open Storage Explorer to identify large folders and single files so you can delete or archive them to an external drive or cloud storage. For the final sweep, empty the recycle bin and run optimized drives to reclaim fragmented space. If you need even more room, consider reducing page file size or disabling hibernation. Note why: page file and hibernation files can occupy many gigabytes. Once done, restart to apply changes and check free space. If files resist deletion, boot into safe mode and repeat the cleanup. This often releases locked files. Make sure to restore any system settings you altered, only if performance is affected.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.